Hi, I'm Levi Peterson with Active Kyds, and today I'm going to show you our Kyds leather tool belt. This tool belt fits waists 21 to 32 inches and fits kids approximately 3 to 10 years old. This tool belt has 7 pockets, 2 big ones on the ends for tools, 2 nail pouches, and 1 tape measure pouch in the middle. And then it has 2 pencil pockets, 1 on each side. Has metal hammer loops and also steel rivets all around. The waist strap is adjustable, and when you receive it, it'll come approximately right here, and I'll show you how to adjust it as small as it goes. It will go bigger, but I'll just show you how to make it smaller. And now to pull this strap through, grab this plastic piece with a firm grasp and pull. And that's as small as it goes. And you will have some leftover strap here. You can either trim it off to desired length, or you can keep it as your kid grows. And they can just tuck it in their waist and they put it on. We also have a pink one. It's the exact same as a brown one other than the color.